Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. Creating a backyard that serves as a recreation and comfort zone is a wonderful way to extend your living space and enjoy the outdoors to the fullest. To transform your backyard into a relaxing retreat, thoughtful design and the right elements are essential. Garden furniture plays a significant role in establishing a comfortable and inviting outdoor space. Opt for durable and weather-resistant furniture made from materials like teak, rattan, or aluminum. Comfortable sofas, lounge chairs, and dining sets provide ample seating for family and guests, encouraging relaxation and socializing. Adding cushions, throw pillows, and outdoor rugs can enhance the coziness and create a welcoming atmosphere. Fireplaces or fire pits are a fantastic addition to the backyard, especially for cooler evenings or during colder seasons. Installing a built-in fireplace or a portable fire pit creates a focal point that draws people together. Gather around the fire to share stories, roast marshmallows, or simply enjoy the warm ambience. Fire features also add a touch of charm and elegance to the outdoor space, making it a perfect spot for relaxation and bonding. Incorporating greenery and landscaping elements can further enhance the beauty and tranquility of the backyard. Planting lush bushes, flowers, and trees creates a lush and inviting environment, adding color and texture to the space. Consider adding potted plants, hanging baskets, or a vertical garden to maximize the use of space and create a sense of serenity. To provide shade and shelter, consider adding a pergola, awning, or retractable canopy. These structures not only offer protection from the sun or light rain but also provide an opportunity to hang outdoor curtains or create a cozy nook for relaxation. Combine shade with gentle outdoor lighting to create a magical ambience for evening gatherings. Water features, such as fountains or small ponds, can add a soothing and calming element to the backyard. The gentle sound of flowing water creates a tranquil atmosphere, enhancing relaxation and promoting a sense of serenity. Water features can also attract wildlife, adding to the beauty and biodiversity of the space. Creating designated areas for various activities can enhance the functionality of the backyard. For example, setting up an outdoor kitchen or barbecue area can make entertaining easier and more enjoyable. Consider installing an outdoor bar, complete with a mini fridge and seating, for serving refreshments during gatherings. Finally, don't forget to personalize the space with decorative accents and personal touches. Outdoor art, lanterns, string lights, and hanging decorations can add character and charm to the backyard. Creating a cozy reading nook with a hammock or a swing can be a perfect spot to unwind and enjoy a book or afternoon nap. In conclusion, the backyard can be transformed into a recreation and comfort zone with the right design elements and thoughtful planning. Garden furniture, fireplaces or fire pits, greenery, water features, and various designated areas all contribute to a welcoming and relaxing outdoor space. By combining comfort, beauty, and functionality, you can create a backyard oasis where you and your loved ones can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and enjoy the pleasures of outdoor living. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!